Amy Giaquinto, and I am Mama Fix-It, and I am 11 weeks post-op from my ACDF spine surgery. So yay! I'm super excited about that. Let me give you an update here. So it's been just long haul, and it's been pretty boring because I still can't drive. I'm still in the neck collar, and so, that's been a little frustrating, but it's okay. I'm having trouble sleeping because sometimes the Velcro here gets stuck on my pillow, or I don't know, it just gets caught up some way, and so that's been a little bit tricky. My neck collar is kind of falling apart. I'll show you. I've had to do some repair work on it. You can see, oh, geez, the pads, the Velcro in the pads is all falling apart. There was a Velcro piece on this piece that's no longer there. The white, it's in sad shape. And then here on the side, you can see I've got some black Velcro. I've had to Velcro this piece together where this piece touches the white piece because otherwise it pops out and I don't feel very secure with it. So that's pretty annoying, but I got that fixed with Velcro. I did on both sides, one side, two sides, not too bad. I also, when I went to the doctor last, I asked him if I could do more activities, and he said I could. So I have been doing some karate forms kind of slowly without really using my hips, just moving through to try and keep up my practice so I don't forget everything because, it's been a long haul. Probably still will be a long haul before I'm allowed back. And I did something, too, that a lot of people forget to do or they won't do. I asked my physician if I could start physical therapy early, and I never heard back from him. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm just going to go ahead and start some PT. So right around 9.5 weeks, I started PT, and they go in, and all it is basically they just took my intake information, and then they did some massage and gave me some very basic exercises for scapular retraction, basically, so that I could start getting my shoulders freed up again and starting to build those scapular retractor muscles, which are all in the back. They move your shoulder blades together and pinch them and keep your posture nice. So I started doing that, and that felt good. I've also been walking a lot more. I have been trying to bicycle. I have been doing my own PT here at home, and in Mama Fix It episode 16, I will show you all the exercises that I'm doing that are safe to do when you have a neck collar on. I would still clear them with your doctor or your physical therapist just because I am not a doctor or a physical therapist, and I tend to push the envelope on things. So that's how it is. I've also come up with this really cool scar cream, and my parents have bees, and so it's a 50-50 blend of honey and aquaphor, and it's wonderful because it's super nice and smooth and creamy, a little sticky too here, and you just put it, this is gonna be funny, put it on your scar just like that, and you can cover it or just leave it as is. I'm gonna grab a tissue, and that should help with some of the scar healing. It's very good for it. I figured, why not? The scar itself is looking pretty good as is for being 11 weeks in. So I am still having trouble swallowing from time to time, and it feels like, as you can tell, feels like when I swallow, there's a knot back there, or not even a knot maybe, but more, it feels like when I swallow, it's painful. And the muscles are still painful in here. I'm also, because of the scar tissue, see, look at this. Oh, my muscles are, they're atrophied. My sternocleidomastoid, which is this giant muscle that runs here, isn't even centered on this side here. So it's kind of bizarre. But I've also been massaging the scar to massage the scar tissue so that the scar tissue lays down appropriately so that I don't get this giant chunk of scar tissue there. So other than that, it's been just boring day-to-day stuff, just trying to stay healthy. And, my lumbar spine was a little achy, and my thoracic spine, like where it connects in to the lumbar spine, has been a little problematic too. But again, movement helps with that, and then all of the things I'm going to show you in episode 16 will help with that. So I want you to keep moving if you can, if you're in recovery, or even if you're not in recovery, just keep moving, appreciate what you have, appreciate any moment that you can sweat, get out there and move. I'm Amy Giaquinto. I am Mama Fix It. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you like my stuff, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and go check out my website while you're on it, www.amygiaquinto.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.